So getting to A7, and by the way, I'm going to show you a parallel example to A7. So A7, we're going to use that idea of an employee database. We are going to use nested dictionaries and custom functions to create an employee database program that allows you to add and remove records. And it should have, at a minimum, the employee's name, their salary, and their position title. Okay, so that is A7. Now I'm going to give you an idea of how this is going to look through a parallel example. I'm going to make a fruit stand application. Okay, fruit stand. It'll have the fruit name and the price. I'm actually going to do in quantity of fruit. I'm going to use a nested dictionary variable, and I'm going to have functions for adding and removing fruit. Okay, so let's take a look. Let's get rid of this. Dictionary fruit. Okay, so this is going to be my initial dictionary, and I'm going to set it up. I am going to use the fruit name as the key, and I am going to have a nested dictionary that contains the price for each apple. So I'm going to use, this will be a float. So I'm going to say, I know apples are not $1.15, so don't freak out on me if they're like farmer's market or maybe Sprouts or Whole Foods apples. They're very special and therefore they're way more expensive. And quantity is going to be 15. Okay. So now I want to create a few others. Now remember, each item in a dictionary, we have a key and a value. We have to have a comma here. So pay attention to the structure. That'll mess you up if you don't pay attention. But I'm going to create a few others. Oranges will be slightly more expensive. And we will say bananas. Highway robbery right here, obviously. We'll have 12 of those. Okay, so there is my database. It's my nested dictionary.